first, ignore that.
That didn't happen, nobody saw that.
No, nobody saw that. And this is your gold. Because these cups are so small, that's all, pretty much all you're gonna use for the first layer. And then I'll pour in my Prussian blue. Next, I don't, oh boy.
See what you've done? Do you see what you've done?
It's my fault. It's all your fault. And it makes me nervous, so I'm just gonna do a little bit of gold. Because I'm gonna use that gold to buffer the colors.
Are you dirty pour or down the side?
I am down the side, okay.
Got it.
And we're gonna come in with this because I don't want pink, so I'm not gonna add white. I like pink, but I don't like making pink.
It's a bear.
That's, I don't know. I just, like I've said before, I just put paint in a cup and I pour. It makes me happy. The smaller the layers you put in, the more that goes on the canvas. The larger, thicker layers you put in there, it's not as busy, I guess. It's a little less complex. And I'm gonna finish off with white, and then I'm gonna put white right on the canvas. And we're gonna start up here, come down, go up. I'm gonna turn, you don't have to turn, you can keep it nice and simple and straight.
So is there any method to your madness of going up and going down?
Yes, so the reason why I go up and then come back down is to kind of control the reaction of the metallic paint. When the paint is coming out of the cup, it's all about gravity. The higher the cup is, the more forceful it will be pushing against the canvas, which will then cause the paint to disperse out. That's why we have some cells in these random areas, because it's pushing the paint outwards. When you get closer to the canvas, you're keeping it tight, and there's not a lot of, it's just sort of flowing into the puddle. It's not being pushed out. Does that make sense?
Hi everyone, it is Jan here, and I will be narrating the rest of the video. I hope that you enjoyed watching the master at work. Hope that you got some useful information out of this. We definitely did in the class. It was an awesome class. I really enjoyed the whole Fluid Art Boutique experience. I highly recommend joining it next time. I'll definitely be wanting to go again, even though it is a bit far away from me, but yeah, it was all worth it. Met some wonderful people, made some good friends. It was all really amazing. So I will be doing mine. The first one that I did here, I did not add the red in the mix. So mostly green and blue colors with some gold. As you see, I put down the puddle and just spread it out a little, and then I will be pouring the cup. As you can see, I already layered the cup. I'm sorry I didn't record. I got too excited about the whole process, so I forgot to to actually film the layering of the cup. So here I'm just pouring the cup, and you move up and down in order to change the way that the paint is being dispersed. The closer you move to the canvas, the more fingerlings you will actually make. And you can then decide to turn your cup as well. Up to you, really. Just quickly, I want to thank you for watching my channel. If you're not already subscribed, I would ask you to please subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot. It helps me grow my channel. I finally made it over the first 1,000 subscribers, which is awesome. Thank you so much. But yeah, of course, I would like to have more subscribers as possible. Also, please leave a comment. If you have any questions, any comments, please add them. And last but not least, leave a like. Thank you. And now I'll just move on to the stretching of this puddle or this pour. Well, as you see, first I correct a little error I did um, at the liftoff, or I don't remember what we call it. I'm a little tired this morning. As you saw in the beginning, there will be a collab the next 2 Sundays, the 22nd and the 29th of May. Please join us, come see what we learned. This obviously was one of the things that I learned, but I will be showing a landscape swipe in my video, and I'll be showing my video on the 29th of May. Now I'm just speeding up the rest of the video because it's just the stretching, and you'll get the point with me showing it a little faster. I'll say that the end result, the dried result, really dried very much close to the wet result for once. Normally there seems to be a bigger change in the dry result than the wet result. In this case, as you will see, I'll be posting a picture of the dried result. It really ended up looking more or less exactly the same, which is great. I really love the outcome. Yeah, just again, big shout out to all the girls from the Fluid Art Boutique. It was amazing. It was wonderful. I thank you so much for showing us all your tips and experience. And yeah, this is just the cup as it looked after I had poured, and here the dried result really came out beautifully. With that, I'll just end this video, and I hope that you have a great day. You all take care. Bye.